43, use the skill box on page 48 to help you write the analysis.
Do we have to?
Yes, you have to.
Can't we write our own expressions?
No, you can't.
Why?
Because you're not ready yet.
How do you know?
I'll know by the end of this lesson when you're done with today's quiz.
You can't know us from a piece of paper. We're not some graded questions, miss.
You know what? Let's get to know one another. Forget the skills box. Let's make some noise. Now these are the case files. You have exactly 30 minutes to do what? To find evidence, highlight anything that can help you with the case. Now, your group, you should find the guy guilty of killing the old man. Whereas your group, over there, your job is to prove them wrong. The guy is innocent. How? By being mad as hell. Symbolism, atmosphere, mood, setting, characters, theme, anything, foreshadowing, anything that can help you win the case. Can you do that?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Let's roll.
He's clearly sick. Can't you see what he's saying? He could have, if he wanted his money, he could have framed the death. He could have said it was some kind of accident. He made the story about an eye bothering him. He's sick.
He would not say it was an accident because he is smart. He knew it would not convince the police. He did this for money.
If he did it for the money, he would have killed him the first night. He wouldn't have waited and just came into his house and watched him every single night. And he wouldn't just go and tell police I killed him because of the certain reason. If he actually wanted the money, he wouldn't have treated him kindly and with love. He wouldn't have done such a thing. And the guy, he was watching him for 7 days. If he wanted the money, if he wanted to kill him, if he wanted anything from the guy, he would have just killed him from the first night. No, he waited. He watched the guy's eye closed. He wanted to see his eyes closed. He didn't want to see his hideous eyes.
He did this for money. He did this for money.
He was aware he killed the man and not just the eye. He said, I killed him. If he meant to get rid of the eye, he would have said, I just got rid of the eye.
He's a fragile old man. If he wanted his money, he could have just taken it and fled somewhere.
Maybe that's all part of the act. He treated him nicely, so no one would suspect him.